Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an eyebrow tutorial. Now I'm starting off by using my e.l.f. hydrating primer. This is because I'm going to be using foundation in order to clean up my eyebrows. Today I will be using the Total Temptation Brow Definer by Maybelline in the shade Deep Brown. I'm going to start by spooling out my hairs so that they're nice and combed out. I like to start by defining the lower part of the eyebrow. I like to take soft, slow strokes, and I'm not afraid to make this line defined because it is the bottom half. When I start with the top, I like to start midway from the brow, kind of by the arch. That way I can create the shape that I like. Basically, I outline the natural shape of my eyebrow and I kind of just enhance it. Always remember when you're getting closer to the front part of your brow, you want to have a lighter hand. If you go a little too heavy, you can always spoolie it out. It helps to blend. Sorry that it's a little blurry, but I'm going to explain what I'm doing. I'm starting to fill in the brow. I like to start with the tail because that's where you want it to be the darkest. You don't want the front part to be too dark. You want to be a little lighter than the back part, the tail of the brow, as I should say. Just remember the light feather strokes are key to the front end of the brow. Now I'm going to take a spoolie to blend everything out and take my Peach Perfect Too Faced foundation in the shade Light Beige along with a flat brush, and I'm taking the JH43, and I'm going to start by cleaning up the bottom part of my brow. And remember, soft, slow strokes, even when you're cleaning up the brow. And once you're satisfied, go ahead and blend it all out. When it comes to the top portion of the brow, I like to take my time. I go very slow, that way I can create the shape that I like and also prevent mistakes. Going slow also helps you to have control on your brush. That way your brush doesn't just go everywhere. Slow and steady is going to win this race, trust me. So I'm just cleaning up the front section, perfecting this brow, and just remember, blend everything out. Once that's all cleaned up, we're going to take the NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel. This is their clear eyebrow gel, and I'm going to use that to go ahead and set the eyebrow hairs. Now you should be all done with this brow. For the next brow, I was going to show you the same exact steps, but I was going to show you a different way to clean up the brow. With that being said, I'm going to stop talking and let you guys enjoy the video, but I'll be back once we get to that part. I promised I'll be back, and here I am to show you how I clean up this brow with the cotton swab. I use the cotton swab on an everyday basis when I do my brows because I don't normally wear foundation. I only clean up my brows with foundation if I'm going to use foundation. This is just something I do quick and simple. And you just go back and define anything with the brow definer itself to go ahead and get that clean, crisp look. Once you're nice and satisfied, go ahead and set that with the clear brow gel and you're all set. This wraps up today's video, guys. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe.